Hello, my amazing people. This is the Maccast, and today I'm doing a Happy Wheels episode because I haven't done one in some time. Let's go. Skype. What should I go for? Right. Load. No, I'm gonna be here forever. Okay, finally. Obstacle course spike. Office comments. Nothing. Rampo Aqued. Let's go. Oh, what? Chair, press control. Maybe I could save Timmy. No, I want to save Timmy. Oh, lag. Okay. Control. Well, I died already. I'll see if it's safe. No, Daddy! You're insane. Oh, new one. Slam the Fat Man. Well, I better be Segway Man. He's awesome. Come on. I'm gonna pause it to the cut. Well, that one wasn't working. Let's go for this one. God damn it. Okay. Oh, poo. Take it. Okay. Yeah, just going out on a ride. Yeah. Why did I buy this crappy pogo stick? Wow! Yeah. Boom. What'd I do? Oh, that sucks. I need rope swing. Oh, we always want a rope swing. Sad. No! My legs! Wow! Oh, bye. And that's... I've always wanted to do this in life. That's really annoying. Oh no. I opened stupid mail. Takes me some time till I get out. Why does it keep doing this? It's like Unfair Mario. Oh yeah. Tell me if you want me to do that again because you couldn't hear me. I'll be prepared then. Yes. No! God damn it. This is so annoying. Oh, I'm just gonna... Oh, I got it. Wriggly. Woo! Next time around, this is it. I give up. This is a... Okay, let's watch this. Oh, heart donation. It's going good. Come on. Is that it? That's cool, actually. Pretty cool. Fair enough. Right, kill them all. These are the good ones. I missed. Okay, didn't miss that time. Wow! Grab it. That sucked. Well, I'll have to take out Thunder. Come on. Not me.
Never.
You didn't get me. You gave me an orange. Not the nice types. Yes. Yeah. I'm gonna restart. Alright, take him out first. Yes, got him. Yeah. I have to restart. I need to get this perfect. First shot. God. Oh, yes. Right, I've taken him out. I've taken Santa out. Right. Bam. Damn it. Oh, help me.
Never.
3. Get out of my way, Justin Bieber. Wow! He just sits there with like a sword, like, yeah! Sitting on the toilet. I died. Dang it. Whew. Yes! I don't care about you! Oh my god. I need to take him out in one shot. Throw. He should be easy. Start level. There we go. No. Oh my god. Right, got him out of the way. Got him out of the way. New one. My build. What hidden mines? Oh, there. Not very hidden, I know where they are. I can see them. Woo! Ooh. Painful. Yeah, they call me the swaggers. Well, that's my sun gone. That's my leg gone. That's my sun gone. That's my leg gone. And that's my life gone. Yeah. All blown off my sun. Just me now. God damn it. Oh, well, that's the end of the episode. Sorry it's so bad. Not a very good episode today. But thank you for watching. This was the Madcast. Please share, like, comment, share, tell me ideas, and of course, subscribe or die. See ya. This was the Madcast.